Sketch a negative quadratic function. If we have here the a with negative sign, like this example, -2, so the curve of the quadratic function must be like the n shape, like this. Okay, so here we have the equation x minus 1 multiplying by x minus 2. To sketch any graph for the quadratic function, we get the x-intercept, the y-intercept, and the vertex. For the x-intercept, we just put the y with 0. For the y-intercept, we have to put the x with 0. So here we have to put the x with 0, and here we have to put the y with 0, which equal to -2, x minus 1, x minus 2, and here we have to say that's dividing by -2. So x minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus 2 equal to 0, and x here equal 1, x here equal 2. So the x with 1 here, if you get it here, so it will be here 1, and here 2, and for sure the y with 0. Okay, and here we put the x with 0. So here will be 0, and we have to get the value of y here. To get the value of y, let's do this. Here we have to multiply -2, multiply by -1, multiplying by -2, which gives us -4. So 0 and -4. For the vertex here, as we said before in the previous video, here we have the vertex. And the vertex is between 1 and 2. Here in this equation, it will be 1 and 2, which will be 1.5. So we just put on the original equation 1.5. We just put 1.5. So we say how to get the value of the vertex. We have 1.5 for x, and we're going to get y. So y will be equal -2. Kick the x and put in a step with 1.5 minus 1, and here 1.5 minus 2, which equal to -2, multiplying by here -2, multiplying by half, multiplying by -half, which equal to 0.5 or 1 over 2. So here it will be half. Let's draw. We have x intercept, y-intercept, and v. We have the x, 1 and 0, and 2 and 0. We have the y, 0, and here we have -4, we get it. And the vertex, we said that the x is 1.5 and 0.5 for the y. So all these points, we have to graph it here. So we say here the x-axis and the y-axis mark. Here is 1, here is 2, and here is 0.4. So that is the x-intercept, 1 and 0, 2 and 0. The y-intercept, -4 for the y, for the x is 0, and for the vertex 1.5 and 0.5. And here is the negative graph.